Hello guys, this is me and my cousin. So sizokwenza enye i-challenge. Sokwenza enye i-challenge leya yesilungu sohlule. So sokwenza enye i-challenge. So ke guys, uSixhase. Okay, let me introduce my cousin. Lona nguSixhase. Una ngaminyaka yakho?
21.
Una 21 years lo nyaka. He is living with disability. As you can see ke nansi ingalo yakhe.
No.
Uyayifihla ke uzenza black coffee.
No, stupid man, you're stupid and you're stupid.
No, uyava ke uthiwa ndisi stupid akafuni mina ndimveze. Okay, fake epokotini.
Yes. You're stupid man, you're stupid.
Hayi ke lo futhi ndisi stupid abantu bazothini abantu xa ndisi stupid.
No. It's joke.
It's joke, okay,
yes,
it's joke.
Yeah.
Bendithethe English ke apha awufuna uthetha English, thetha isiXhosa ke ngoku. Thetha isiXhosa okanye uzoxabana nami. Thetha isiXhosa.
Okay.
So ke guys, so ucousin wami ke into ayenzayo ke uyarap. Ndicela nimamele umusic wakhe ku YouTube. Ngibani ku YouTube ke? Usixhase bani?
Sixhase Zondi. Yeah, ku TikTok 441 Zondi. Facebook Sixhase Zondi. Datholakala ndicela nje ba ni-like nimfollowishe yabo.
Yeah, ke guys. So cousin wami ucela nim-like nimfollowishe ku TikTok unguSixhase Zondi. Hayi ku YouTube unguSixhase Zondi. Ku TikTok ungu441
Zondi
Sixhase. And then ku Facebook unguSixhase Zondi uyafumaneka nakhona. So yi-rapper le. It's an upcoming rapper. So guys, ngicela nimfollowishe.
isiXhosa hadi.
Urapper ngesiXhosa.
Yes.
So uSixhase ke uthi bana ucela nimfollowishe, so we would appreciate your support.
Yeah, support, yeah.
Yeah, ndone my cousin ifuna.
Cousin.
Ndone cousin.
Yeah, cousin, you see. You don't ngesiXhosa man.
Umzala,
yeah. Ukhohlwa man uyakho sekhohliwe.
Okay ke. Injalo ke bazala bami. So sicela nifollowishe uMxhaseni, your boy Mxhaseni, yabo? Yeah, khawurap imntaka kuthiwa yi1. Khabanike iverse nje yi1.
Iverse. Okay. Yeah. Sizokhuphuka nezimali noma jita. Yeah. Sikhule sihlupheka noba sekunzima. Yayazi akukho lula kule mpilo esihambayo. Yayazi akukho lula. Impilo iyaqhubeka noba sekunzima. Abanye bayasijaja, abanye khona abathakathi bazamile siwisa bazamile siquba phansi. Abanye bohlulekile. Sikuqa ngedolo sithandana sicela uThixo sipha amandla. Noba sekunzima sithembele kumdali. uNkulunkulu ukhona ecankwe noba sekunzima sithembele kuye. uNkulunkulu ukhona ngokomoya. Sithembele kuye noba sekumnyama.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nivile ke iverse yethu. So we do have some songs that are available on YouTube. Umntaka wethu azenzayo ne-videos. So we appreciate your support and yeah. Ningamjudge niyambona nje nani umntaka wethu.
Yeah, kunzima
phana but uyazama uyadibanisa. So he wants to be a famous rapper, yabo. That's his wish. So we want to make it happen. If with your support, of course, guys, please help us. Shout out. Bye-bye.
Mucho.
Umzala.
Umzala.